If you've tried everything, the supplements, the diets, the hormone protocols, and your body still isn't responding, there's a reason no one is talking about: your liver. Not in a dramatic way, not liver disease, but a slow, silent overload. Your liver processes over 500 chemical reactions every single day: hormones, toxins, medications, stress chemicals. And when it's overwhelmed, your thyroid can't activate, your estrogen can't clear, your cortisol never shuts off. Yet no one checks liver function unless something is already broken. Today, I'll show you how to reset your liver in just 3 days, not with extremes, but with biological timing, ancient wisdom, and modern science. Think of your liver like the air traffic control tower of your body. Every hormone must pass through it. Every toxin must be processed. Every metabolic decision goes through this organ. Here's the problem. Most people are stuck in phase 1, detox, but phase 2, where toxins are neutralized and removed, is underpowered. That creates toxin traffic jams. And when that happens, hormones get recycled instead of eliminated. That's why thyroid hormones don't activate. That's why estrogen dominance builds. That's why inflammation never shuts off. Ancient healers understood the liver long before lab tests. In Ayurveda, it was the seat of pitta, the fire of metabolism. In Chinese medicine, it governed qi flow and emotional stagnation. And every ancient system agreed on one thing: bitters wake up the liver. Dandelion, milk thistle, turmeric, artichoke. Not cleanses, not starvation. Signals. Signals that tell your liver it's safe to release, it's time to clear. Modern research confirms what ancient healers observed. A 2021 study in hepatology research showed that bitter compounds increase bile flow, activate phase 2 detox enzymes, raise glutathione, your master antioxidant, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammatory markers. This isn't a detox myth, it's metabolic biology. And when the liver clears, hormones finally move. Day 1. Open the pathways. Morning, warm water plus lemon plus pinch of sea salt. Meals, light proteins, eggs, lentils, fish, steamed vegetables. Avoid alcohol, sugar, processed oils. Support, milk thistle, 300 milligrams. Dandelion tea, 1 to 2 cups. Day 2, deep clearing. Add beets, turmeric plus black pepper, bitter greens, arugula, radicchio. Optional, castor oil pack on liver, 20 to 30 minutes. Day 3, rebuild and release. Focus on healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, hydration, gentle movement, early sleep. Stay with me, because some people experience a detox reaction, and I'll tell you how to handle it safely. The liver doesn't just store toxins, it stores unprocessed emotion, anger, pressure, over-responsibility. That's why liver resets often come with emotional release, tears, relief, calm. Your body isn't falling apart, it's letting go. When the liver clears, the nervous system softens, the thyroid activates, and healing accelerates. Did you feel lighter after day 3? Did your digestion, sleep, or mood shift? Tell me in the comments. Your experience matters. And if you came from the thyroid video, this is why that protocol works. If you haven't watched it yet, go back to Why Your Doctor Missed This Thyroid Signal. It completes the loop.